Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming battery health and cycles so you know the baseline. That tells you if replacement is needed. Next, force close heavy background apps and turn off Bluetooth, GPS, and background refresh. These drain power constantly. Once done, enable low power mode and lower screen brightness to about half. The display and system throttling immediately extend runtime. Make sure to unplug non-essential peripherals and skip high-power apps during this initial stabilization period to prevent further decline. You now perform deeper fixes to stop recurring drain. Update the operating system and apps because many battery issues come from software bugs. Updating can close those leaks. Then inspect app-by-app battery usage and restrict background activity or uninstall the biggest offenders. Once adjusted, reset network settings or at least toggle Wi-Fi and cellular to flush stale connections and reattach efficiently. These steps reduce wake-ups and radio usage. After completing them, reboot the device to apply all changes cleanly. You finish by calibrating the battery. Charge fully, use until it shuts down, then charge uninterrupted to 100% to realign reporting. If drain persists, boot into safe mode or create a clean user profile to isolate software causes. If consumption drops, an app or setting is the culprit. Make sure to test overnight and during typical usage. Finally, if battery health is under 80% or you notice swelling, plan a replacement. Hardware failure is often the root, and replacing the battery resolves persistent loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.